Toby, shut up! Quiet! That's enough. Just finished that today. That's thing to fix. I'm lazy about that. And do something here. And here. And make that darker. That's great. This side we put some lighter gray. Side. This needs a lot of work. Pissing me off. This is good. Nice. Oh. And like that stuff. Right now I'm just like filling everything. It isn't working? Back to it. Doesn't work. Oh, my Kempo. Just like filling myself just 'cause. I'm overheating. Now I'm just recording you.
Way to go, you broke his camera. Oh my god.
Okay. Yes, there we go. Okay, and then let's just show the size. It doesn't. Heck, how about you put it on? You can be my model.
No way.
Please.
No.
I'll give you a hug.
What?
I said I'll give you a hug. It's a pretty decent bribe. Thank you.
Why are you taking pictures anyway?
Oh, I'm filming it.
What?
So I want to show off my thing. The sleeve's like, I think it's like inside out or something.
Any other wait. This is so uncomfortable inside.
You got it all twisted around. Yeah, you have it all twisted around. Whatever. Let's just look at.
I'm just gonna bear this. So what happened here?
No. You put it on like all twisted like.
You gave it to me.
I didn't give it to you twisted. I just wore it. Okay. Wait, I got it. Okay. Okay, there we go. There. No, pull it together so I can see. You're my model. Remember this.
Yeah, whatever.
See, it's pretty stellar looking. Right? Look.
Can you give this to me?
No. I mean, it says Taylor on there.
I don't care. He's from Taylor.
Nice. Sit. Shake a paw. Nope. Sit. Shake a paw. No. Sit. Sit. Shake a paw. Good boy. Good boy. Here, you get this one. Yeah. What about that one? Huh? What about this one? I still got it. Okay. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Shake the other. Nope. Sit. Shake. Sit. Shake a paw. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, now lie down. Roll over. No, lie down. Roll over. Lie down. Lie over this way. Good boy. There you go. That's my bratty dog, Toby. That's my cat. Say hi, D-Buzz. You're supposed to say hi. He doesn't want to say hi, but I love him anyways.